business stays private, which makes an information asymmetry directly, which in conclusion, building a lot of rooms for speculations to chip in. So we were focusing more on the post-issuance market, what kind of service that you need in order to support the crypto market that comes after. So this is how we solve it. So looking into the equity market, again, if you look into the US markets, first when the stock goes public through NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange, all the corporates have to file the information into EDGAR system, which is run by SEC. Equivalently, we are trying to build that EDGAR system in the crypto market, which brings information asymmetry not possible, in making all the information, all the public traded assets into the public platform. So this is three big characters how we do it. We provide complete scope of projects. There's a lot of project teams or information sources that provide pieces and bits of information, but usually we find that's not enough. And second of all, we provide real-time updates on projects. So this is not just about on-chain information, but we work with teams directly, their IR teams, marketing teams, in order to update equivalent data that is required for disclosure for early startups. And we take a very neutral and objective position, not only the policy that we take, but through our technology that we support for disclosure projects. Many ask, so who are you to do the crypto disclosures? So we started 2 months before we founded this team by looking into different standards of disclosure throughout the world. Like I said, US has EDGAR, Korea has DART, Japan has EDINET, and there are different disclosure systems around the world in different markets. Up to 95 to 98% of the items are quite similar. So we looked into those data, and S&P and Moody's and global credit rating companies in order to see how many items that needs to be included for blockchain startups to begin with. And looking into our database, we have on-chain data, which we run nodes directly and extract information right away from on-chain's different mainnets. And off-chain information, we have corporate data, financial data, and all the major milestone achievements, and most of the information that you would need when you're trying to make an investment or partnership with existing institutional investors. What we have done until now, we have pretty much, we are standardizing the crypto disclosure market throughout the world. So nobody can say what are the major standards, but we work with pretty much major exchanges in Korea, in Japan. There's some not updated ones in this market. But we work with other global sectors in different regions, like Russia, we work with Waves, Europe and the US, we're working with Bitstamp, and we also work into Southeast Asia exchanges and also expanding into Latin America, Africa, and other markets currently on active discussion. So how we do it is, first of all, for projects, this is what has been happening. Everybody had to engage everyone separately. What we did was we integrated all the token project teams to disclose information on our centralized platform, and all that information is public information which will be distributed to all the other exchanges at the same time. So as decentralized the technology is and their target market is, we believe there has to be a service that provides a decentralized function for those projects to evolve into. So after we get this disclosure system, we provide other interesting services that helps utilization or consumption of information. So we will be launching API services, distributing our information to our partner exchanges from December. And we also provide other business intelligence services for the listing teams or research teams in different functions, which will be able to utilize those information directly. And we have been running this service for 5 months in order to see the stabilization, and we will be evolving into our second level soon. All our information that comes up, basic language is English, and it's translated to Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and a little bit into Spanish, and we will be supporting other languages pretty soon. So business model, I won't be talking too much. The big model is everyone was trying to build a Bloomberg market, but I needed this service when I was working as an institutional investor, when I was acquiring exchanges or running crypto funds. So service did not exist. That's why I left and met my founders to build a service. And we will be providing B2B API service from the beginning based on a single source of integrated information, which will be evolving into B2B2C services, including other business intelligence. So if you compare it to Bloomberg services, I think you'll be able to get some more idea what kind of business tracks we will be building by different milestones. Yeah, that would be all. Thank you.
네, 그렇습니다.